Dang it. Yeah, alright. Ah, that one crumbled. I didn't know where Mari was. I couldn't track Mari there. Or whatever. After I think another 2 hours, I finally PB'd. Jeez. This is gonna be genuinely awful if that took me 2 hours to PB. Ugh. Yeah, guys, I doubt any of you understand what I'm doing in this, but I'm trying to basically offset Aubrey and Mari as much as possible. And I'm basically hoping that Mari attacks before Aubrey every time, if best case scenario. But sometimes Aubrey will attack before Mari and destroy my doors because I'm assuming, oh, Mari's gonna attack first. In that case, I didn't know if Mari hit a door yet or not. So I was just really confused, and then, yeah, my door got destroyed. Unfortunate. And as always, we'll go back and it'll crash. Great. Love to see it. But yeah, I'll show you that it's silent. Though I'm sure that you can trust me at this point, as I've shown in the previous video, or my previous PB. Yeah guys, okay, we're back in the menu, and as you can see, zero volume. I have music volume on, but that doesn't really affect the game at all. Now, let's be quite honest. I have the main volume anyway at 0, so it wouldn't matter anyway. But anyway, that's another PB.